to share with you another journal that I've made, and this is another soft cover. Used cardstock, and there is an envelope on the front, very similar to the journal that I made yesterday. It's not quite as chunky. Had a little bit of self-control in this one. So it measures, got it written down somewhere. Let me see. So I didn't actually write the measurements down. I thought I had. This will be listed in my shop, so all that will be on there if you're interested in purchasing it. I think it's roughly about 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, maybe 5 3/4. One signature. We have the envelope on the front, and it's folded over and then decorated with some digital paper, the word journal on here, some cheesecloth in the background. There is a large tag in there. The back of the actual envelope is opened as well, so you can put things inside there as well. We have 2 tags. Then we have this image here. She's so cute. 2 Tiffany and Co tags, and then these 2 little birdie postcard tags. Put them up so you can see them because they are tiny. We have eyelets and string as a closure. There is some crocheted trim on some of the pages. And I have used a selection of papers, all digital. Most of the things I use are digital. This is from ephemera. I've used my scrap cardstock to make pockets, put a little belly band on here, little tags. We've got a ticket and a butterfly there. I've done stamping and stenciling. There is this large journal card here. It's actually from Marion Smith, and a large tag. This is a library card, and it's actually a Jane Austen one from Tsunami Rose. And this is vintage receipt. I have a kit of that, or a pack of that, as a digital file in my shop. Use this here, which is from Dreams Etc. Some edge punching, some lined paper. There is a little, I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but there is a very faint design on here, just along here. We have some more digital vintage receipts, a tag, and 2 little receipts. Again, that's from my kit. Then there is this. It's actually like a writing paper. I printed that out ages ago, so I popped that in there. This is a flip out, and it has a doily, ticket and a butterfly. More stamping and stenciling. So I want that there so you can see the birdies. There we go. Lots of places to journal. We have a paper bag. There is a doily. Another doily here. And we have a tuck there with a little banner. It says memories there. We have vintage receipts, a tag, a postcard. I think that's from Artie Mays. Then I just made some little flip outs that you can do additional journaling on. A postcard and a ticket there. Some more digital paper. This is Tsunami Rose. We've got a Rita Donnelly flip up. Some more stamping and stenciling. A tag. Just a journal card that I found in my stash. Vintage receipt. The link for that will be below as well. A tag, and then this was printed out on cardstock a long time ago, and it's from Tsunami Rose. Love the eyes. So that just pops in there. We have a paper bag, and inside the paper bag there is a receipt. I'm not going to be able to pull that out. Oh, where did that come from? So that pops in there. Sorry, I had to move that. We have a tag, and this one here, it is from Jane Austen. I think it's Dreams, etc. that one. Then this little little girl image on the paper bag. Some more crochet to trim. Lots of places to journal. Here is another paper bag. I have folded it up so that we've got a pocket here and there, and then behind there. So there's 1, 2, 3 pockets, and I think that goes in there. Some more ephemera, and that goes in there. Tag, and a little tag there. This image here, I believe this is from Karen Higgins, and I just put that onto some lined paper so you could do some additional journaling. And then this is from Dreams, etc., and it says laugh. A flip up, and we have a tag, some more vintage receipts, a large tag, and then there's stamping and stenciling up behind there, some more vintage receipts, and we just have a pocket here with the word dream and a ticket and a butterfly. Oops. Another tag, another little flipper. I think this again is an image from Karen Higgins. I just made that. Postcard, I think that's from Artie Mays. This is from Mrs. Cogs, and a tag. Doily, some more paper to write on, paper bag, some more crochet to trim, and this is one of these flip out corner tucks, so you've got all that space to write on. And we have some more vintage receipts, a tag, another tag, and this again is, I believe, Karen Higgins. And that just closes with the paper clip. Some edge punching, another little corner tuck here, and it says timeless there. We have a tag, some vintage receipt, little tag there, and an image from Karen Higgins. And here we have another pocket with the belly band, little tags, and in here we have a tag. That's a Jane Austen one, another one of these bird writing papers, large tag, and a journaling card from Marion Smith. So that is the journal. Like I say, it's not as chunky as the one that I made yesterday, because that one was like super chunky. But again, this was all made with stuff that I already have printed off and in my great big tubs of scraps. Not really scraps, but they're just things that I didn't use when I printed them out to make other journals. So there we go. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.